talk about it, just do that shit. Got these bitches saying, yeah, he do that shit.
Yo, what's good YouTube? Frank here with a brand new video. And today we have Supreme's week 5 of spring summer 2018. Now, if you guys keep up with the channel, you guys know I didn't actually release a video for last week. I did purchase something, but I just didn't really have. So basically, after the drop, I had to leave to work like immediately after. So I feel like the video itself was a little bit rushed. And then like being that I had to leave right away, I didn't get a chance to edit it. So then after that, I kind of just like till the next day, I figured it was a little bit too late to even upload. I feel like I like uploading like right after the drops, just to like, I don't know, just get the most traffic, or I don't even know if that's the word to say, but like just so it's like even like worth it. Because I feel like the day after, nobody really cares anymore about the drop. It's pretty much like, oh, okay, like cool, on to the next thing, whatever. So like as soon as it dropped, people were like, oh, did this person cop? Or I feel like they're more interested in it. So so that's why I didn't really release week 4. I did film one, but I really don't want to release it because it's already way too late. So yeah, anyways, week 5. As you guys can see here, I have the drop list kind of pulled up. I will be going for one thing only, and is the Mophie charger or whatever. I have the red one, the small red one, but I'm gonna be going for the black one. And this time it's gonna be like the bigger one, so like the large 20K one. If that sells out, I don't really know if I'm gonna be going for anything. I did like that flower seat, but I saw on the back it has Supreme on it, which kind of kills it for me. So I really don't want to get that. But perhaps I'll get the boxers or something. Like, I don't know. I really don't know what else I would want. This is kind of small drop. Originally, I think there was gonna be a lot more champion stuff, but it ended up being just like a hoodie and I don't know what else. Fuck, I don't want to grab my camera. Okay. Anyways, we have about 30 seconds left for the drop. So I'm gonna be going into accessories and waiting for the Mophie charger thingy, power brick, whatever you want to call it. And then I will be doing a shoe collection video, like with all like the Supreme collabs and stuff. So subscribe if you're new, so you guys can see that. But other than that, I promise I'll continue to do the checkout videos. It was just last week because I had to go to work, but I'm not gonna do that. Well, I am gonna still work, but that probably won't happen again. And even so, I'll just be more like careful to make sure I edit fast enough or whatever. And it's still not live. It's still all the old stuff. So I don't even see the new tab. Okay. Nothing yet. So it's well past 9. And I don't see it. This is not good. I don't even, like I said, I don't even see the new tab. What the fuck? Oh, there it is. And it was right in front of me, so it's all good. That took a good minute, honestly. Okay, cool. That was easy. I got the Mophie. Like I said, I don't really think I'm gonna be going for anything else. Because this drop wasn't really like all that amazing to me. I did like this one, like I said. But that Supreme on the back just fucked it up for me. I don't like that. And even by itself, it's kind of like a hard piece to even wear. But yeah, I was fucking with that one. I just want to see if this stuff is gonna sell out fast, like all the Mophie things. So these look like they're still in stock. Yep. And then what about the small ones? Yep, those are still good. Anyway, so if you wanted to buy those, you most likely did. I see them right here, right now. But yeah, that was it for the video. I'm really hoping for some like better drops coming up, like here in the next few weeks. I didn't really like a lot of the lookbook items. You guys already know that. But some of the accessories were cool, and then hopefully some collaborations are nice, because I feel like one purchase a week isn't really like all that cool or exciting for a video. But I still want to make them, so hopefully you guys still enjoyed it a little bit. Hopefully you guys got what you wanted. And yeah, that was it. Stay tuned for the Supreme shoe collection video, as well as other pickup videos. But yeah, that was it for today's video. I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.